What it do? What's good with you? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing a review video on this LA Colors palette. So let me just go in so you can observe the different colors. So as you can see, it's a 16 color eyeshadow palette, and I got this from Dollar General, y'all. So I'm not really expecting that much of it. It did cost $4. I never had an experience with LA Color eyeshadow, so maybe, so maybe I am kind of prejudging, but I mean, a 16 color eyeshadow palette for only $4, like, we'll see. So also what I wanted to tell you on this video is that I won't be applying this makeup on my face, and I know you're probably like, okay, what's the point of a review then? But it's really I just wanted to do a couple swatches because I'm not really that good at applying eyeshadow the way I guess it's supposed to be. I just kind of throw it on what I think is cool. But I did say, like, I mean, this is not only is just the YouTube for me to be all professional, but it's also for me to learn. So I am going to start doing like eyeshadow tutorials so that I can see my growth as I get better and better at doing it, you know. And then y'all can comment below tips that I can do so that I can actually learn, like. So yeah, I just opened the palette and this is what it looks like, and the colors are so amazing. They're so cute, and it comes with the double-sided eyeshadow applicator. Don't know if I'll use that. Actually, I'm gonna use it to make my swatches, so I'm scared because I don't want them to not be pigmented, because these colors are way too pretty to not show pigmented. But yeah, I'm just gonna put the swatches at the top on my left hand, which is at the bottom on my right. So I'll be right back. So these swatches are literally everywhere on my hand. I don't know if you can see it. So you can tell like it's not that pigmented, but they're also not matte colors, so they're not gonna show up that pigmented anyway because it's a glitter color. On top of that, it's not like I have eyeshadow primer on my hand, so of course when you have eyeshadow primer, the colors will show up a little bit darker or more pigmented than it's showing up on my hand. Also, depending on the type of skin tone you are, I am a dark female, so most colors don't show up as much than it would a fair-skinned female or, you know, pale skin. So those are the colors that are at the top. So now I'm about to do this side. OMG, so y'all, I don't know what it is about the bottom palette, but it's showing up so pigmented. I said the bottom palette, but the bottom half of the palette is showing up way more pigmented than this side. And I didn't do anything different. Like, I didn't dig deeper or anything. Let me try this other side again, especially this pink. So I'm only gonna try the pink. Maybe I did. Okay, so maybe I just dug a little deeper on the other side, because, well, that pink is showing up kind of white. But I mean, this is legit so crazy, and I'm so excited to try these colors. And I can't wait to have an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys, just so, I mean, actually I can't wait because I know I'm not gonna be knowing what I'm doing. But so that is all for my review. Like I said before, I got this from Dollar General for like $4. So if you want to try this, most definitely hit up your local Dollar General, or they might have it anywhere that they sell LA Colors. But I just think this $16 palette, wow, this 16 color palette is so amazing, especially this bottom half, like, OMG. But that is all for my video. In the last 20 seconds of this video, I will be a circle with my picture on it, and that is the direct way for you to subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so that you can receive notifications for every time that I post. Also, please like and comment any other products that you would like for me to review. It is Dark Beauty 925 signing out this live. Bye.